Pranayama, the art of breathing. It is wonder to know that only human beings have to learn how to breathe. Our lungs are divided into lobes. At each breath we will inhale or exhale only 500 milliliters of air, whereas our lung capacity is approximately 5,800 milliliters. So most of the time breathing takes place in the upper lobes only. This means we are not using our lungs to their fullest capacity. Even after complete expiration, approximately 1,200 milliliters of air remains in our lungs. So we can make use of 4,600 milliliters of lung capacity for breathing. Anexer, the Indian Ayurvedic physician, Patanjali, developed a scientific breathing practice called Yoga-Abhyasa. Maharishi Patanjali proposed a theory called Ashtanga Yoga. He was introduced 195 yogic principles in 8 divisions. 1. Yama, social discipline. 2. Niyama, individual discipline. 3. Asana, body posture. 4. Pranayama, expansion of vital energy. 5. Pratyahara, withdrawal of senses. 6. Dharana, concentration. 7. Dhyana, meditation. 8. Samadhi, self-realization. The art of breathing in Yoga-Abhyasa is called pranayama. Prana means gas, ayama means journey. In pranayama practice, air is allowed to enter 3 lobes of lungs in order to increase the amount of oxygen to diffuse into blood. Deep breaths in pranayama helps us to reduce breathings per minute from 20 to 22 to 15. Because of these deep breaths, more amount of oxygen available to brain and tissues of the body will be more active. It is very important to practice pranayama regularly to make our life healthy and active. All people irrespective of age and sex should practice pranayama under the guidance of well-trained yoga teacher to improve the working capacity of lungs.
Again, sir.